Birthplace, discovering its significance in English. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the meaning and significance of the word birthplace in the English language. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Let's dive right in. The term birthplace is a compound word made up of two parts, birth and place. Birth refers to the process of being born or coming into existence. Place, a particular position or point in space. When combined, birthplace means the specific location or place where someone or something was born or originated from. To fully grasp the concept, let's see some examples. 1. Shakespeare's birthplace is Stratford-upon-Avon. 2. The birthplace of jazz is believed to be New Orleans. 3. She often visits her birthplace to reconnect with her roots. From the examples, you can observe that birthplace can refer to the origin of both humans and abstract ideas or things. Understanding synonyms can help reinforce the meaning. 1. Hometown. While not an exact synonym, many people refer to the place they were born as their hometown. 2. Origin. This is more generic and can refer to the beginning or cause of something, but it can be used similarly in some contexts. In many cultures, the birthplace holds sentimental value. It's not just a geographical location but represents one's roots, heritage, and often, identity. This is why you'll find many historical sites preserved as birthplaces of famous individuals or as the origin of significant movements or ideas. We've now uncovered the layers of the term birthplace. It's more than just a location. It carries with it stories, histories, and identities. Next time you come across this word or share about your own birthplace, you'll understand the depth of its meaning. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary.